My name is Grant McPherson, Principal Chef at Scotch Mist. Today we're cooking a Scottish salmon with a kale spinach chimichurri with a few vegetables grown in Ohio in Chef's Garden. I have a very diverse culinary background. I was born in Scotland, worked in Australia, Malaysia, Hong Kong. Came to the US in '98 to open the Bellagio. So the chimichurri it's not possible without a beautiful Vitamix blender. Put in the kale with the spinach, a little bit of horseradish, mustard, olive oil, sherry vinegar, salt, pepper, and emulsified beautifully. A little chunky, very tasty, very green, very vibrant, and goes very well with the oily part of the fish. You know, people ask me about my plating style. I like to think it's very clean, it's very seasonal, it's very where you are. So all the flavors together, you know, the oily fish, you've got the consistency of the chimichurri, and I put a little horseradish in the dressing just to give it a little spice and that nice aroma in the nose, you know.